This tutorial review will show you how to delete multiple contacts from iPhone at once. To delete multiple contacts from iPhone at once, you must need to update your iOS to 16. If you're using iOS version 16, then you will be able to delete multiple contacts at once. Launch the Contacts app on your iPhone or open the Phone app and tap Contacts. Find a group of contacts that you want to delete. Using two fingers, press and hold a contact in the list. Then drag your fingers up or down to highlight adjacent contacts as a selection. Release your fingers to finish your selection. Then tap Delete Contacts in the confirmation prompt. That's all you need to know. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.